So I'm going to be packing the fidgets that I am bringing to school. So I have my fidgets here, and I have a tiny backpack that I'll be bringing them in. So yes, let's pick them. Alright, so the first one in this drawer, this is my favorite drawer. It's dimples and stress balls. So I'm gonna pick this stress ball. I love it. It's like this rainbow orange stress ball. You know what? I'm also gonna do this like unicorn stress ball. Let's see. I guess I got like some new. I'm gonna do this dinosaur dimple. It's super cute. I also got this. But you know what? I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna actually put this in because it's like my favorite dimple. So yeah. Let's close that. And now open these slimes in here. They're not just slimes, it's a bunch of things. So you know what, I'm gonna bring a mini poppet. Ooh, I'll put in this. I love how good this pops. It's our mini poppet. Yes, probably won't trade this. I really like this slime. But I'm gonna bring this slime. Let's go to the next drawer. Yeah. Okay, so let's put this in. I'll bring this poppet first. And wait, do I have two? Okay, I'm gonna bring. So I'll bring this poppet bracelet. Let's see what else I'm gonna bring. Maybe like. I'm gonna bring this poppet ball. You know what? I'm gonna bring this acupuncture ring because I usually don't bring any, and I guess it's just kind of cool. I'll bring this fidget cube. Maybe this poppet bracelet. Actually, no. Okay, let's see. We'll bring another acupuncture. And maybe a peacock. So yeah, I'm gonna continue going and maybe puzzle ball. I like puzzle balls though. So I'm not gonna be trading. I'm gonna be trading like these probably. So I'll just pack a bunch of those. And so yeah, I think that's all I'm going to bring. Maybe I'll bring this mochi. Yeah, but that's all I'm gonna bring. And these 3 more mochis. Hey guys, so I'm not done. I have my whole backpack here with a lot of fidgets in it. And I'm not done. I didn't pack any poppets. I'm gonna pack my porcupine and my elephant. Let's put those in. Perfect. And maybe I'll pack like another one I could trade. You know what? It's fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna do I have some slimes in here. Let's see. Okay, so it's kind of messy. I don't have any good colors, but black, gray. I mean, they're good. They're just the bad colors are the good, slimes. So it's kind of annoying. So you know what? I'm gonna bring black and gray. I actually like, this is a nice crisp black. So yeah, I'm gonna bring black and gray. There's a charm in here. Oh, it's like a cookie or something. Oh, yeah, it's a cookie. It's kind of hard to say, but it's a cookie. And I'm going to bring black and gray slime. So I'm going to put them in. I'm bringing a lot of fidgets that I am trading. So I'm going to bring some more fidgets that, for me just to play. So I think I'm going to bring this just for trading. But also some others, because it's my favorite drawer here. So maybe like, that's really good. Let's see. Okay. And I'm gonna go with this Orby Shark. There's this PB&J here. I like the Orby Shark. So yes, I'm gonna do this guy. We'll put you in. And I don't know. Maybe like a dimple, something like that. I'll do this dimple. It's really good. Put that in. I'll bring this actually. Yeah, I'll bring this. Wait, I want to see which one of my two lollipops. Take back, so I have this pink one and this rainbow one. Let's see which one is better. Okay, so I have this one first. It's kind of hard, but the good side's super good. This one. Yeah. Let me see this one again. You know what? I like this one more, so I'm gonna bring this one. Just in case for trading. I know I'm doing a lot of trading ones, but there's just so many things I could trade. Let's see. So I have this unicorn dimple. You know what? I'll bring my simple dimple. It's just a good little dimple. And another stress ball. Let's go DNA ball, I guess. Yeah, we'll go with the DNA ball. Okay. And there's also this. Oh my gosh, I'm bringing this. My backpack's kind of stuck. I feel like it's missing something. Dimples, maybe. Maybe triple dimples, right? This is so good. But yeah, maybe this there dimple open. I don't know. Okay, so I'll put that in. And I'm also gonna bring this banana. So I think that's all I'm bringing because it's a little stuff. So that's what I'm gonna bring.